Hi, I'm Diana. I'm going to answer some uncommon questions and share some little known facts about the Xtra Muse. Does it really work with DJI accessories? Yes. Most DJI Pocket 3 accessories fit perfectly, including filters, extension grips, and even charging bases. The only catch is wireless audio. The DJI mic doesn't pair natively. However, you can connect it via the USB-C port using a transmitter, which is a great workaround for creators who want pro sound without buying new gear. Do you need to register this like you need to register other DJI products? No, not at all. You don't have to go through that process. That's a big plus. Can you shoot in log color profiles? Yes, but it's just called something different. It has something called Xlog, and it's very similar to DJI's D-Log. It just means you can color grade your footage like a pro, which is perfect for cinematic looks. Does it overheat during extended shoots? No, a lot of people have reviewed that they've had no issues with that whatsoever. Can you mount it on a tripod or use it handheld? Both. The standard bundle includes a handle with a 1/4 inch thread so you can attach it to any tripod, and the gimbal makes handheld shooting super smooth. Is it waterproof? No, it's not waterproof. Now, you can buy some accessories to protect it if you're out in the elements, but don't take it out like this. What is the maximum size micro SD card it supports officially? The documentation says 512 gigabytes. However, some users report that 1 terabyte cards work fine. Still, it's generally safer to use smaller cards, and that way, if a card fails, you won't lose as much footage. Can you live stream with it? No, not natively, but you can definitely, take the clips off here and transfer them for use on your phone for posting. I have wanted the other version of this for a long time. I just wasn't ready to spend the money, but now we have options. So if you're looking for a way to expand your toolkit, definitely check this out.